And now, iMerit Unveils AI data solutions for solving edge cases with greater precision with Sudeep George.
My name is Sudeep George, and I'm the VP of Engineering at iMerit. Welcome to this session on iMerit's Edge Case Engine. I would like to quickly walk you through iMerit's solution that can help you efficiently process edge cases as you go about building your AI systems. Edge cases happen to be all around us. Let me quickly show you a couple of real-world examples. This is an example of an autonomous vehicle use case. Here, the AI system is being trained to recognize and process stop signs. While it is trained on real-world images, once it is deployed, it comes across stop signs that may be covered with snow or with graffiti or may be blocked by trees and branches. This is just one example of the numerous permutations and combinations that are possible as AI systems are being deployed into the real world. In this example, the owner of a self-driving vehicle complained that their vehicle would always stop as they crossed this particular building. Turns out that the logos around this building look very similar to stop signs, and this was confusing the AI system. On my left, you can see the real-world coordinates of one such building. There are 95 such locations in just 5 states across the US. Imagine the potential issues at each of these locations. We have all seen these reflections as we walk down our city streets. How is an AI system supposed to distinguish between the actual person and their reflection? These are some of the problems that AI systems have to handle as they navigate through urban landscapes. Depending on which part of the problem you're solving, an edge case could have different connotations. For an annotator, an edge case is that situation where they clearly do not know how to label the data that they're working on. This could be due to insufficient guidelines, but more often than not, this is due to a combination of various features of data coming together to create rare or complex scenarios. You too may pause if you came across this car as you were driving around. An AI system has to quickly process this image, understand that these objects aren't real and can be safely ignored. This should highlight the criticality of edge cases as AI systems are being developed. Across the industry, handling edge cases is a time consuming process. It involves getting together various stakeholders who have to discuss and understand the issue before providing a solution. The communication is scattered and many a time lost. This process repeats itself as the next edge case comes in. This clearly cannot scale given the large amounts of data that today's AI systems are being trained against. iMerit's Edge Case engine is built on the experience of our in-house experts who've been working on edge cases across various business domains. It consists of a single platform where edge cases can be reported, real-time notifications can be automatically deployed, all the discussions and analysis can be linked and tracked within a single platform. A knowledge bank is continuously being updated with the edge cases and the solutions. This knowledge bank can be leveraged to improve the operating efficiencies of the annotators, but more importantly, provide various levels of insight back to the customer as they go about collecting data for training. I would now like to give you a quick demo of the edge case engine. In this demo, an annotator has been asked to label the vehicles that they see in the images as either trucks or cars. They come across this particular image where there is a sticker of a car on a bus. They do not know how to handle this complex scenario and decide to report an edge case. They make use of the Cloud Cover Chrome extension to report the edge case. Selecting an area of the image that best describes the problem, they provide a brief description and submit the issue. Once the issue has been submitted, a real-time notification is sent to the team lead and other stakeholders. This notification can be in the form of email, Slack messages, chat messages, or any other mode of communication. Once the team lead receives the notification, they can go to the project dashboard and pull up the issue that has been reported. They can take a look at the problem and if they know the solution, quickly resolve the issue. They can also choose to escalate it to a project manager who in turn can choose to escalate it to the customer. At every point in this process, any of the stakeholders can go to the actual image that the annotator is working on to better understand the problem. Solutions wizard that is being dynamically generated from a knowledge bank can also be leveraged to resolve some of these edge cases. This brings us to an end of the demo. Before we go, I would like to quickly summarize some of the key features of iMerit's edge case engine. It consists of a single framework where real-time notifications are coupled with process efficiencies and traceability to accelerate the resolution of edge cases. The edge case engine can be configured and automated to fit into any workflow. Our beta customers have seen improvements of up to 60% as the edge case engine is incorporated into their workflows. Please do visit us at imerit.net for further information. Thank you.